Qonto, the online business account designed for freelancers and small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, offers significant support for bookkeeping but doesn't replace the need for an accountant or dedicated bookkeeping software entirely. The platform's primary bookkeeping-related feature is the automatic categorization and tagging of transactions. Every payment in or out can be instantly classified with customizable labels, making it easy to track expenses, manage budgets, and generate detailed reports. This level of organization drastically simplifies the initial data entry for accounting. Furthermore, Qonto allows users to attach receipts and invoices directly to the corresponding transaction using the mobile app or web interface. This digital filing system is invaluable for audit readiness and ensures all necessary documentation is linked to the correct entry, eliminating the hassle of managing physical papers. Qonto also provides useful features that feed directly into your bookkeeping workflow. It facilitates simplified expense reports and allows team members to submit and manage their expenses efficiently. The account supports exporting transaction data in various common formats, such as CSV or even specific formats tailored for popular accounting software. This capability ensures a smooth transfer of financial records to your chosen accounting tool or directly to your accountant. While Qonto excels at managing transactions, tracking receipts, and providing a categorized ledger, it does not offer the full suite of double-entry accounting features necessary for preparing complex financial statements like balance sheets or profit and loss reports. For generating these formal documents, reconciliation, and tax filing, you'll still need dedicated accounting software or the expertise of a professional bookkeeper or chartered accountant. Essentially, Qonto automates the tedious, manual parts of data collection and organization, making the overall bookkeeping process significantly faster and less prone to errors. It serves as an excellent financial hub that streamlines the initial steps of your accounting workflow.